Hi everyone. So in this video we're going to take a look at the basic workflow for creating audio mosaics in GAMuT. So now that we have GAMuT installed, let's go ahead and open up the graphical user interface. So the basic pipeline is we first have to create a corpus. From this corpus we can then create a mosaic, and having that mosaic we can synthesize it to audio based on different parameters. So what I'm going to be using for this video are two different sources that I found online. One is from the Internet Archive. These are a collection of vocal sounds. And the second one is a trap drum loop that I found at freesound.org, which is another great resource for finding free audio samples. So let's take a look at what this drum loop sounds like. And let me give you an idea of what the vocal sounds sound like. So here are some of them. Let's take a look at this.
Hey!
So just a collection of very sort of random and a variety of vocal sounds. And so that's what we are going to be using for the corpus. So we're going to build a corpus based on all these sounds. So let's go ahead and load, use this as a source. So this is the same folder that I was just showing you. So I'm going to load it here, and then I'm going to name this corpus weird vocal sounds. I'm going to base this corpus on timbre. So I have two options: either create a corpus based on timbre or based on pitch, or based on both. Right now I'm just going to do it on timbre. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and generate the corpus. So here we go. We have this corpus here, and if I look at the summary, I will find that effectively this corpus consists of 164 different audio files, and the total duration is 4 minutes and 32 seconds. And I can see all the file names here. So yeah, so this is the corpus, and then I can select this this other sound file that I download, the trap drum loop, which I have over here. So let me copy this over here, and then I'm going to let me find my stuff again, GAMuT tutorials, and here we go. So this is the trap drum loop that I was just showing you, and I'm going to name this vocal trap drum loop. I'm going to generate the mosaic, and with this I can now, well, let's first look at the summary. So it says trap drum loop, total duration of 10 seconds. This consists of 73 sources used from the corpus we just created, and the total number of grains is 918. So let's synthesize this to audio based on the current audio parameters, and let's take a listen at let's see what it sounds like. So that is pretty much the basic workflow. We got a corpus made out of vocal sounds, and then we specified a target, which was this trap drum loop that we heard at the beginning, and then we created a mosaic based on this target using this corpus, and that is what it sounds like. Now we're going to be exploring a little bit more of the options that we have available, but that is the basic idea of how GAMuT works. We have all these different parameters that we can play with. Just to give you an idea, for instance, if I wanted to mix a little bit of the mosaic with the original audio target, I could do something like this, where I have half and half of each. So I'm going to synthesize it again and play it. So there's a bunch of cool stuff that you can do with this audio technique. So I hope you you like this example, and we'll take a look at other features in the next video. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave comments if you have any questions.